Hey, good morning, good morning, morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Let's talk about why people don't sell things. Okay, first of all, I've said this a million times. If you buy a position, say I buy a position, I buy NVIDIA 500, and say I buy 10 of them, and it goes up $1, and so I buy the 520s and I buy 10 of them, and they rip up. And the first one goes to 10, Sam sells them because he's trying to cover the other one. So he makes 6K from 4 to 6. And the next one it continues to go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. And you put in, say, $2 on the next one. And it goes to 10. So you sell those. Okay? So 2 to 10, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. And then you buy the 340 or the 540. And say you make 5K on that one. Just making up numbers. So you have 19. Then you buy the 560 for next week. And they go up triple. And you sell that one. So now you're up like, say, 25K, 30K. You buy SMCI and you make another 10K, just making up numbers. So you have 50K. So then you buy Microsoft at 80 cents. And you buy another Microsoft at 20 cents. You buy another Microsoft at 10 cents. And you made 50K and you're up and you got 10K in the market in Microsoft. And Microsoft goes 6x. And Sam says, maybe it'll go a lot. I'm not going to sell it. But Sam has already said, I'm up 50K. And if I lose 10K on Microsoft, I'm okay. Okay. Now, you, on the other hand, you didn't buy NVIDIA. You didn't buy the next NVIDIA. You didn't buy the next NVIDIA. You didn't buy the next NVIDIA. You didn't buy SMCI. So why would you wait for Sam to sell Microsoft? They even suggest, Sam, you didn't sell Microsoft. So what? I'm net positive, 40K, really way up, 300 something. I'm just making up two numbers. And you lost money. What is somebody supposed to tell you? I mean, you didn't sell. Really. Think about this. If you didn't sell 4 layers of Microsoft that were 6x, take a step back. Sit down with your dad or your mom or your wife and say, what am I doing? Because you're doing something wrong. Okay? Now let's get to the next thing. And this one fascinates me because there's a set of people in the world that believe this, and they're just idiots. So if Sam says, I have SMCI, I bought it at 1, what positions do you have, Sam? If Sam puts out there, and we did this many, many years ago, we said Sam has SMCI 350 at 1. Well, the current price is 9. Somebody comes into the room and they buy that same position. They say, Sam's still holding it 9. It goes down 3. Sam sells it at 6. Sam makes 50 grand. You lost 3 points. Why would you buy something at that price? So what we did is we took those off. We don't put them out there anymore. Because it doesn't matter what I have. Why does it matter if I have a position that I bought at 1 that's at 9? What are you going to do about it? Are you going to go buy it? If I tell you I have it, you're going to go buy it for more. Now, you can go back on Twitter and look at it. But that's just dumb. It's absolutely stupid to put these positions out there. Because people just go buy them. They're like, oh, Sam bought it at $1. It's at 20 cents. But Sam has already covered all those positions and made a ton of money. Okay? Today, JP Morgan is up. The bank, this is really strange. because the number is average at best. A huge $2.8 billion for losses. And then the other banks are up too. So that takes the market up. But then you look at UNH, and UNH is a big member of SPX, and it's cratering. It's cratering. Okay. So then we see. Okay. So the next thing, so we don't know what's going to happen. You got this PPI, up or down. So we bought some SPXs just for the heck of it here. Nothing big, so interesting, right? Tesla collapses. Okay? You can never, ever, I'm telling you, I can tell what position you have. If you tweet me or say in the room something, I know what position you have. I can tell. I can tell who's long coin, who's long crypto, and think crypto should have gone up to 80,000. I know who thinks coin is good because they're going to make more money because they're not going to make more money. They're not going to make more money. Coin is not, it's shit. Guys, would you go, and there are people that do this, would you go find a bank online that says open an account, and then you go wire them $1 million and they don't put it into your account for 4 days? Now, I don't know about you, but if I wire somebody $50, I'm pissed off that it's not there, let alone $1 million. We sent messages after we wired some money to coin way back when it wasn't even alive. And it doesn't get put into your account. They don't even send you a thing that we got your money. You don't even know where it is. And you don't have a phone number. Now, 3 years ago, I don't know, they may have one now. I don't know. But to just start a business like that, Sam runs a business. My phone number is out there. My name is out there. I mean, think about this. Grayscale. This CEO is a moron, but I understand what he's doing. He's saying all these people, they've invested, let's say they put in 100,000 in Bitcoin, and it's worth $1 million, we're going to charge them 3%. So when they sell, we're going to charge them 30,000. Then when everybody pulls their money out, our company is going to go broke and we're gone. Because nobody's going to buy. Nobody's buying into that. Nobody's putting any money into that. If you put money into that, you're an idiot. If anybody puts your money into that, I mean, that's just financial injustice. It's just stupid. If you can buy Bitcoin and think about it, Coinbase charges you 3%. So if you buy 2 Bitcoin, let's say it's 50,000, and so you're going to go pay $3,000 to buy it and $3,000 to sell it. If you go put it into an ETF, you're going to put in 0.25%. So you're going to pay $250. 3,000 versus 250. God, be smart. Be smart. Coin makes no money. All these people, custodians. Do you know how custodians make their money? There's no money in custodianship. They don't make anything. Barely. They don't even cover their cost. You know how they make money? They use your money. If Fidelity is a custodian for, say, Google, and all their employees have all their IRAs at Fidelity, Fidelity pays you less interest. That's how they make their money. They don't make no money from custodianship. So if you're out there saying, oh my God, they're going to make so much money on custodianship, you really don't understand the business. Okay? Get smarter. Netflix got to upgrade to 600 today. And then we see Tesla. So I posted out there that said Tesla is going to close their factory. Okay, so that means they're going to sell less cars. They're going to make less cars, so their number is already bad and it's January for the year. Okay, very simple. So they said, well, it's because of this Red Sea. Okay. So what happens if they have another problem? after the first delivery. And let's say a war happens or something and the plant can't open and you're down for 3 months. If you're down for 3 months, Tesla is at 150. Their margins are done. Their year is done. They're losing money. What's PPI? PPI, SPX, it got better. Market got better, nice. It is 0.2. That's what they're expecting. Thanks, Pat. Okay? So interesting. So then we see. Let's see if Microsoft goes back to 391. We're sitting there. We like it. So Tesla is a short. They have not had one good news event. Okay? You want to see if SMCI gets to 356. You want Microsoft 388 and 391. Okay? CPI is fine. That's what we thought. We thought it'd come in line. Okay? Minus 0.1 for December. Now that's a positive. Maybe we run on this one. Maybe we go way up. Let me look at what JP Morgan did. JP Morgan way better. Okay? So the banks, they're acting better. That's good. That tells you if JP Morgan closes here, we're going to go by Goldman Sachs. Okay? That's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Stocks go up. Stocks go down. Okay? Hope you got the steal. Sell your stock. Microsoft 385 is going to open at $2. They're going to be a double plus. Okay? Okay. Good morning. 112. Stocks go up. Stocks go down. Then we see PPI is very good. That implies the market can go up if it gets going. Okay? If it gets going. 4,800, 4,818. Downside, 4,750. We bought some puts just in case. Okay? No big deal. You buy some and you're okay if it goes the other way. It's a hedge, guys. Avago, look at it fly. Man, if Avago takes out 1122, it's got 1150. Whoa! Do we catch a 1 to 20? NVIDIA, pop. 552, big number. Adobe trying to go. 600, 603. Lam Research trying to go. We have the 770. See if it can run. Okay? Lilly, 641. Snowman, still down quite a bit. Got downgraded, it looks like. 201, 209. AMD, 152. Bitcoin, all about 49 bucks. Okay? Netflix, 503, 509. Goldman Sachs, I actually, if it can get to 388, I like the 400s for next week. Boeing, going to shit. I told you, all these fools on TV, oh my God, it's just a one-time thing. Why is this not 200? Do you really think people, all these agencies are just going to let it fly and don't worry about it? I mean, it's a disaster. Caterpillar, 296, 300. SMCI, 356, big number. Microsoft, 388, 391. NOW, 736. And Tesla, 260. That's what we know. Everybody have a lot of questions, comments? That's what we know. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.